Hola, buenos días. Pues en this video vamos a aprender los verbos de sandalia en español. So we're going to learn what are called sandal verbs in Spanish. It's kind of like the idea of boot verbs, but we're going to take some of these verbs and put them into the preterite, to the past tense. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you probably 5 different verbs and how they work in the preterite. There are other ones that you'll come across, but I'll just show you 5 today. So these are stem changing verbs in the preterite. I've got 5 listed over here on the board behind me. So the first one we have is dormir, which is to sleep, and then preferir, to prefer, pedir, to ask for or order, morir, to die, and servir, to serve. Now these verbs all have 2 things in common, aside from being a stem changing verb or a sandal verb in the preterite. And that is, they are all boot verbs or stem changing verbs in the present tense, and they're all IR verbs. So what that means is that all verbs that are IR verbs and stem changing verbs in the present tense are also these preterite stem changing verbs, or sandal verbs as we call them. So if you've already learned how to conjugate IR verbs in the preterite, you'll know almost everything that you need to know here. We're just going to make one little extra change to these verbs. So what I'm going to do is kind of show you how to do dormir first. Before I put the conjugation on the board, I just want to show you something here. Sometimes when you look in your book or a textbook or dictionary or whatever, and next to a verb you might see something like this O, U-E, comma, U. What that means is that this verb is a stem changing verb in the present tense where the O changes to a U-E, and in the preterite it's going to be a stem changing verb where the O changes to a U. So let's go ahead and drop dormir on the board. Alright, so what you've got here is the 6 different versions of dormir in the preterite. And if you've already learned how to conjugate IR, ER verbs in the preterite, what you've already learned is you've already learned these endings for these verbs. So you're going to take what you've learned and apply it to dormir. The thing that's new, if it doesn't already stand out to you, is the bottom 2 have a change. That O right there, it changes to just a U. And this will happen in other versions of this verb as well, so it's good to know these. So dormir, just for pronunciation purposes in the preterite, would be pronounced dormi, dormiste, durmió, dormimos, dormistes, and durmieron. If you ever have trouble remembering the vosotros form of the verb in the preterite, just remember if you add is or is to the to form, it always comes up with the vosotros in the preterite. It doesn't matter if it's a regular or irregular verb, that always works. Let's take a look at another verb. All right, so what I've done here is 2 things for you. One, over here on the left, I made the rest of the annotations as far as how these verbs change in both the present tense and the preterite in their stem changing forms. And then 2, I've done half of the verb pedir for you here. So why don't you pause the video really quick and just see if you can fill in the other half before I do it. All right, so that's the rest of it. We've got pedí, pediste, pidió, pedimos, pedistes, and pidieron, where we have that E changing to an I just in those 2 places. I'm going to do one more verb for you guys, and then we'll do a quick practice activity with some of the verbs here on the board. And if you have any questions at the end, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So just like we did for the last one, why don't you pause the video, see if you can fill in the rest of what's missing, and then I'll give you the answers in just a second. For morir, we have morí, moriste, murió, morimos, moristes, and murieron. They're kind of hard to say, so you want to practice those ones a little bit with the murieron sounds. Can definitely be difficult for an English speaker. So I'm just going to put 5 sentences on the board really quick, and then you can see if you can complete them correctly with the verb in the preterite. Okay, so you've got 5 sentences on the board here. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can correctly conjugate the verbs, and we'll give you the answers in just a second. Okay, here we go. So the answer for number 1 will be murió, la planta murió, the plant died. Número 2, we got yo pedí el taco, I ordered the taco. 3, las estudiantes durmieron en la clase, so the students slept in the class. 2, preferiste el libro, and then 5 will be el profe sirvió la comida. And one last thing, just in case you're wondering on this verb preferir right here, which has 2 E's in it, and you see if the E has changed to an I, it'll be that E that changes to an I in both the present tense and the preterite, depending on what you're talking about. So that's kind of sandal verbs in Spanish. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If it helped, maybe drop a like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Hasta luego.